2024 GMC Yukon XL. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heads-up display, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, power running boards, parking aid sensor, seat massage. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.